Hello everyone, my name is Nehal Charnapa Barbade and today we are discuss what is natural rubber, a journey from tree to tire. Explore the fascinating world of nature. Rubber from its origin in the latex of optical Presto its transformation into essential products that shape our daily lives. This presentation will guide you through its definition, types, properties, manufacturing process, and its widespread application, as well as its advantages and disadvantages. Defining natural rubber. Types of molecular structure. Natural rubber is a chemically known as polyisoprene. These are marketable elastomers derived primarily from the Hevea bacillus trees. It's unique for its exponential elasticity and resilience. Different forms of natural rubber exist in distinguished by their processing and appearance. There are three types of natural rubber: isoprene units, latex source, raw versus processed. Isoprene units. As its core, natural rubber is a polymer made up of repeating units of isoprene, forming long, flexible chains. This specific molecular arrangement gives rubber its characteristics stretchability. Latex source. The primary source is latex, a milky white sap trapped from the rubber trees. This latex is approximately 30 to 40% rubber particles suspended in water, along with other non-rubber components. Raw versus proceeds. Raw latex is a proceed in two various forms, like a smoked sheets or a crepe rubber, each with distinguished properties suitable from different industrial applications. Expressional properties of a natural rubber. Natural rubber unique combination of a physical and chemical properties that make it indispensable across numerous industries. These attributes are what allows it to be used in everything from tires to medical devices. High elasticity can be stretched significantly and return to its original shape without permanent deformation. Excellent resilience absorbs energy and quickly recovers from impact, making it ideal for shock absorption. Good tear strength, resist tearing and absorption, enhancing its durability in demanding application. Water resistance, impermeable to make, providing effective sealing and protective barriers. Low heat buildup, generates less heat under dynamic stress compared to synthetic rubber, crucial for tire performance. Adhesion properties, form strong bonds with various metals essential in compounds products. Crepe rubber, light and versatile. Crepe rubber is a supple yellowish. Crepe rubber, light and versatile. Crepe rubber is a yellowish translucent form of natural rubber known for its excellent purity and aesthetic appeal. It undergoes a specific processing method that differentiate it from other rubber types. Manufacturing process. After coagulation of a latex, the rubber is washing and milled repeatedly between rolls to create a thin, crinkled sheet. This process removes impurities and dehydrates the rubber, resulting in its characteristics scraper like a texture. Key characteristics: low impurity content due to extensive washing, light color, making it suitable for application where aesthetics are important, good tensile strength and elongation properties. Common uses: crepe rubber is widely used for footwear, especially shoes soles, surgical grooves, medical tubing, and certain adhesive applications, benefiting from its clean appearance and flexibility. Smoked sheet rubber, durability and widely used. Ribbed smoked sheets as gradually the most common incorrigible of natural rubber. Its processing involves smoking, which imparts distinguished properties and advantages of industrial use. Manufacturing process. Latex is coagulated with acid pressed into sheets and then air dried. The key step is smoking these sheets is in a specialized smoke houses. This smoking process prevents mold growth, enhance drying and improves the rubber mechanical properties. Key characteristics: enhanced durability and resistance to oxidation due to the smoking process. High tensile strength and wear resistance, making it robust, darker brown color and distinct smoky odor. Common uses. RSS is a extensible used in manufacturing conveyor belts, house, and general rubber products, where strength and resistance to environment factors are crucial. Derived application of natural rubber. The versatility of a unique properties of a natural rubber make it cornerstone line. Countless products and industries supporting modern manufacturing and daily life. Automatic industry, medical and healthcare, footwear industries products. One by one we can discuss. Automatic industry. The single largest use of natural rubber is drives both vehicle and aircraft, contributing to their durability, grip and heat resistance. Medical and healthcare. Its hypogenic properties of a flexibility make it ideal for surgical gloves, catchers and other medical devices. Footwear. Rubber shoes provided excellent grip, comfort and long activity for a wide range of shoes, from athletic to casual. Industry products. From conveyor belts and industry houses to vibration mounts and seals. Natural rubber is resilience in a highly valued. From tree to product, the processing of a natural rubber. Process of natural rubber. The journey of a natural rubber is form of a latex of the Hevea brassis tree, while it involves artificial steps, ensuring its quality and the suitability of a various applications. Trapping of a latex. Har- Harvesters carefully make incisions in the bark of a rubber tree, to allow the milky latex sap to drip into collection cups. Coagulation. Acids like a formic acid are added to the latex to cause the rubber particles to come together and separate form of the water. Drying and smoking. Sheets are dried often in the smokehouse for natural rubber resources to remove moisture and enhance preservation of mechanical properties. Collection. The collection latex is gathered and transported to processing centers, often within hours of a trapping, to prevent uh, premature coagulation. Washing and sheeting. The coagulated rubber is washed to remove impurities and then pressed through rollers to form sheets of a desired thickness. Baling of and packing. The dried sheets are compacted into bales for easier transportation and storage, ready for ship, shipment to manufacturers. Advantages of natural rubber. Natural rubber offers a compelling set of benefits that position it as a superior material in many applications, contributing to both product performance and environmental sustainability. First, renewable resources derived from trees. It is a sustainable and renewable material, unlike petroleum-based synthetic rubber. Second, superior dynamic properties, unmatched elasticity, resilience and fatigue resistance, particularly crucial for high-performance applications like tires. Third, excellent strength, high tensile strength, tear strength, and absorption resistance ensure long variety and reliability. Good heat resistance maintains properties well over the range of temperature with lower heat buildup. under stress. Disadvantages of a natural rubber. Dis- Despite its many advantages, natural rubber also present certain animation and challenges that need to consider in its application and production. While natural rubber is a marvel of nature, its inherent sensitive to certain elements and market volatiles require strategy management. Suspect Susceptibility to ozone and UV degrades with when exposed to ozone and ultraviolet lights, leading to cracking and reduced performance unless protected by additives. Limiting oil. Limited oil and chemical resistance. Poor resistance to oil, grease, and many chemicals which can cause swelling and property loss. Temperature limitation. Becomes brittle at very low temperature and soften at very high temperature, restoring to operational range. Allergy potential. Latex proteins can cause allergy reaction to some individual necessary alternative material in certain medical application. Price volatility. Market prices can fluctuate significantly due to weather condition, diseases, and global supply demand dynamic. This is of natural rubber. Thank you.